Hey my loves, welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley. I'm in a great mood. I'm excited. Today we're going to be playing in a gorgeous headband courtesy of YGwigs. And as you guys can see, I'm giving color today, honeys. So they included the headbands. They actually gave me 4 options. They also included some other free goodies, including the wig cap. They gave me 2 clips, which you guys know these are the ones that I use in all my hair tutorials. They gave me some flexi rods. It's actually been a minute since I've actually used flexi rods, but I'm definitely going to try these out. They gave me a baby hair brush, and then they also gave the elastic band and some extra clips that you can, suit into your wig to customize it to fit you perfectly. And here she is, the star of the show today. This is our gorgeous headband wig. She is in the color 99J. She's 150% density and she's 20 inches in length. And as you guys can already tell, the texture is body wave. So they did give me a coupon code for you guys. It's Ashley20. You'll enter that at checkout and you'll get money off. And as you guys can see, I'm showing you the entire construction of the cap. There's no lace, there's no parting. It literally is just headband in the space that would typically be like your lace or your hairline. So this is going to be a super easy install. First, I'm just going to cut off that tag they did include there with their brand on it. It does have combs in the back. I'm going to utilize that comb, or comb individual or singular. I'm going to utilize that comb to kind of help secure the wig in the back, and then I'm going to take the front straps and just tie them or connect them as tight as they can go. Maybe I should slow down with my talking, and I'm going to show you what that looks like from the back just a little bit. Excuse my nape, I did not comb it out or anything like that. And I do love the fact that this one has a body wave texture. I feel like if you go straight with it, your hair has to be flat underneath, but if you go like body wave, water wave, curly, if you're braid up underneath, or if you just have like a ponytail underneath with your natural hair, it'll be easy to camouflage and not look too bulky. Now they did give 4 headbands in total. This one here came in an individual package, and I like this one because it's super thick and it looks really cute on. Like when I put it on, I was really excited and I thought this looks really good. So I was gonna put the headband behind my ears, but you guys can see my own sideburns there and they are dark. So I did opt to keep it on top of my ears, and I didn't have a problem with that. But if you do, just kind of slick yours down with some edge control and you'll be good to go. I also wanted to put it to the test with heat. I did find a little bit of frizz at the top, but I kind of just smoothed it out with the flat iron just on top. I also did not add any product because this is a color wig. I kind of feel like when you add a little bit of a oil sheen or a spritz or what have you, or even a serum, it gives off shiny synthetic sometimes. So I was very careful just to, rock it as is. Now I probably would take like a thick wand curler and just kind of touch up the curls for a more, flawless look. But I really wanted to show you how simple and easy it is to have an at-home look. It didn't shed too much. It's natural hair. And again, I have a coupon code where you can get a discount off. And I also was showing you guys what it looked like as a ponytail and a bun, and I absolutely love it. Okay guys, so today we're doing another headband wig. This one comes from the company YGwigs, and as I showed you in the beginning of the back of the video, this is their packaging, and of course they gave tons of goodies. So I figured I would come and talk live to you guys because this one is a little bit different. You guys know I did a headband wig maybe like a week ago, and that one was more of a natural texture. So this time around I wanted to switch it up, and I thought it'd be fun to do a color. Now this one here is obviously definitely not the color of my natural hair. So what I do not want to do is I do not want to leave out my own edges. If you watched that video last week, then you know that I had to leave my baby hair and I swooped it. Someone did message me, actually a couple of you guys messaged me. Somebody left a comment for me, and that was the first one I seen. She left a comment on one of my recent videos, and she was like, yeah, get some black edge control. So I did buy it here. This is the, I don't know what brand this is, but I'll have it linked down below. Literally, she left the message, and within less than 5 minutes I went on Amazon, put it in my cart, and of course I have Prime, so I checked out immediately, and it came as a 2-pack. I thought they were going to be bigger than this, but honestly I probably wouldn't use this enough to need a big jar anyways. And it's cute because it's travel size, but these are definitely going to come in handy. I did not try these out this time around because again, again, I'm not going to leave my natural edges out considering they are black. So with this one, I like the fact that they gave me a thicker headband, because I'm gonna pretend with this one like my hair is done, like I have a cute little wig on, or maybe even a weave or a sew-in, and you know, I'm just going out to work out, or I'm going to, even if I'm going to work, like I'm gonna have a day-to-day, and I just wanted to, you know, accessorize with a cute little headband, like not think about it too hard. This is the perfect gym hair. I don't know about you guys, but I have different wigs for different things. So I have like my bedtime wig, and that's something that I feel comfortable wearing to sleep. It's not too tight. It makes me look cute while I'm sleeping, and of course when I wake up I don't look too crazy. Having a workout wig is perfect because you want something that's not necessarily lace. It's easy, low maintenance. You can put a headband around it, so no matter how hard you sweat, you're not ruining your good wigs. And this is that for me. If you're running out of the door for work, for the gym, to take the kids to school, this literally took 5 minutes or less, and I'm not looking crazy. And of course, over time, if you want to maintain the wig, you can wash it, you can deep condition it, you can you know, straighten it, or you can redo the curls, and you'll be good to go. I was in the airport yesterday, and I looked in the mirror, and my sideburns had lifted because so hot, flustered with the kids running through the airport. My dang on lace lifted, and I didn't even notice. So this is like a perfect airport wig. No matter what you're doing, what you're going through, you don't have to worry about anything. But they also gave these options here. Now these are a little bit more thin, so I don't think these are going to cover the band as well. And then I also, like I said in my last video, I have tons of these like bandeaus and scarves and things like that all around the house, so I will never have to worry about, you know, wearing the same headband every day. And of course, if you don't, you can pick them up on Amazon. You can go to your beauty supply store and find some cute little headbands. Even Target sometimes will have, you know, some cute little scarves and things like that, and Walmart. So I really like this one. When it's down, I kind of like to flip it over like so. And again, if you want to take your time and curly, you know, tightly curl it, you can definitely do that. Let me know what you guys think of it. Again, this one doesn't just come in this color. If you want it in like a natural black or brown or something to match your natural hair color so that you can leave your edges out, that is definitely an option. So again, I'll have this linked in the description box. Make sure you check it out. Also, I've done plenty of videos with this company before, so if you don't like the headband wigs and you really want your lace, I got you covered on that too. You can check out all of my videos on this company that are lace. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!